2018 Alfa Romeo Giulia. Alfa's genuine article sports car puts the typical suspects on take note. Alfa Romeo's triumphant comeback to North America has not been without falters, but rather the Giulia is outright evidence that the amazing execution brand can convey the merchandise. An athletic skeleton, murmuring turbocharged 4-chamber motor, accessible versatile suspension, brisk guiding, and determined brakes make the Giulia a delight to drive for fledglings and expert drivers alike. Inside its solid body lies a lodge that can be wearing either an energetic or chic theme. To quiet the nerves of potential purchasers, we're cheerful to report that Alfa's underlying form quality issues appear to have been settled. Giulias that have as of late gone by our office performed immaculately with no mechanical or electrical glitches that tormented before cases. The Giulia is the genuine article, an aggregate bundle sports vehicle that we're pleased to have on our 10BEST cars list for 2018. What's new for 2018? Following its eagerly awaited presentation in 2017, the Giulia sees a kind of development of its lineup for 2018. A year ago's entrance-level Giulia and Giulia Ti each produce extra models in view of a year ago's Lusso and Sport choice bundles to make a 5-display lineup: Giulia, Giulia Sport, Giulia Ti, Giulia Ti Lusso, and Giulia Ti Sport. Different changes are minor and incorporate a modest bunch of new wheel plans and chrome rings around the entryway speakers on base and sport trims. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are presently standard on all Giulia models. Front stopping sensors are currently packaged together with blind side checking and auto darkening outside mirrors, and another cargo convenience bundle, $250, includes basic supply sack snares, a load net, and secure snares inside the Giulia's trunk. The superior 14-speaker Harman Kardon stereo is presently offered as a $900 alternative on the Giulia and Giulia Sport. What was new for 2017? The Giulia was another model from the renewed Alfa Romeo mark for 2017 and, alongside the superior Giulia Quadrifoglio, checked on independently, set its sights on premium marked section extravagance sports vehicles from Audi, BMW, Jaguar, and Mercedes-Benz. Trims and options we choose.